Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. Bobbin or Malika, and welcome to yet another yarn haul video. So I know I haven't done one of these in a long time, but I've been so busy with doing actual projects, and I really haven't been buying yarn like that. So there was nothing to do, but now I got some yarn from Hobbii, so I wanted to do a quick yarn haul. I actually wasn't going to, but like I always say, everything is content, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a yarn haul video. And if I sound stuffy, it's because I'm just getting over a cold. So let's open this yarn. I don't even want to continue talking that much, and let's see what I got. I'm trying not to like cut the actual yarn because that would suck. Okay, here we go. So I got this tweed yarn. This is tweed, right? Yeah, Tweed Delight. Okay. Tweed Delight, these two. So let me show you guys close up how it looks. So it's this. And it looks like this. It's so nice and thick. But it's 85% wool, 10% acrylic, and 5% viscose. And it's 50 grams, 109 yards, and the recommended needle size is 4.5 to 5 millimeter, and then the recommended hook size is a 5 millimeter. And with this yarn, let me show you guys the other one. Actually, I wanted to do something like a gray color because I don't really have gray projects, but this is the darker gray. Come on, there we go. That's the dark gray. So it looks like this, and I'm actually going to be crocheting with this. Am I going to be crocheting with this or knitting? I forgot. Let me call my sister. Are we crocheting with tweed or knitting? I forgot.
Crocheting.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so we're crocheting. We're gonna be crocheting the tweed, and I wanted to do like two gray colors because I don't really have anything gray, and I love gray, clearly. And I thought these two would complement each other like really well. So I'm excited to see like what I'm gonna do. I don't even know what sweater I'm gonna make, but I do know that I might do like different color sleeves, you know, like maybe 2 gray sleeves and then a body panel of dark gray, you know, something like that. But these are the two colors that I'm going to be using, and that's that with tweed. I'm not going to be doing swatches because I honestly don't want to, so you guys will just see these in action when I'm actually going to be working with them. And then I got baby wool. I got 4 colors. And let me show you guys that. So I got 4 gray. I don't know what's up with me in gray, but clearly I'm feeling gray this time. So here's the gray. Then I got this green along with this gray. Then I got this different color green. And then I got this different color green. So I wanted to do like a, let me get all the colors. I wanted to do different shades of green. Clearly that's gray, I know that. But I wanted to do different shades of like similar colors. Like this could, I don't know. I don't even know why I chose gray. But I did want like the same kind of color combination. And I can do like my cuffs like this color because I'm gonna be knitting with this yarn, so I can do like my ribbing the gray color and then do the different shades of green with the body. I think that will be like so nice. And this is 100% wool. It's 50 grams, 180 yards, and Same with all of these. But let me show you a close-up of the yarn because it is so nice and soft. So that's how this gray looks. And then there's this green. And then there's this other green. This one is my favorite green. It's so beautiful. There's this green. And then there's this green. I'm super, super, super excited to make a sweater out of this yarn specifically because of all the shades of green, and I'm like super excited. But that's all the yarn I got. I just wanted to make this quick little video and show you guys the yarn I got because I haven't gotten yarn in a long time, and I'm super excited to start these projects. And I'm pretty sure I'll be starting my tweed one, maybe. I don't know which one I'll start, but I know I'll be starting one next month, so you guys will see one of these in action soon, so stay tuned for that. But that is all I have for this video, so thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.